So the k plus 7s cancel out. So our simplified rational function then is just 1 over k plus 3. So now, lastly, I have to find my domain. So either k plus 7 can't equal 0, or k plus 3 cannot equal 0. So k cannot equal -7 or -3. Here's your domain. On the back of the notes. Girls, put your music away. Put your music away.
My music is
Okay, just put your headphones on.
that's it on here.
All right, number 10.
Oh, I like it. What are you doing?
We're simplifying now. Number 10, k squared, or x squared minus 2x minus 48. What number goes in the top left here, Richard?
Look at you, boy.
We're trying to factor this trinomial in the numerator. What goes in the left side of the chart, of the t-chart? No, so we're looking at the numerator, so that's the part on top. And the -48 is what goes in the left. And the -2 goes on the right. And we're trying to find two numbers that multiply to get -48 and add to get 2. So what would those numbers be? 6 and 8.
Wait, I had to get 2 or -2?
-2, what'd I say?
You said just 2.
Sorry. So which one of these should be negative then, the 6 or the 8? Good. So 6, put your headphones on. So 6 minus 8 is -2. 6 times -8 is -48. That works out. So I can write this in factored form as x plus 6, x minus 8, and there it is. It's like finding a hidden treasure.
Smiley face.
You can now cancel things out.
Wait, what do you do with the x squared? Is then the two x's right there?
Yeah, we factored it so that there's no longer an x squared. It's factored out. So then x plus 6 is left in the numerator. We canceled out the denominator, so that's essentially just a 1 down there. X plus 6 over 1, or just x plus 6. And the domain then, x minus 8 can't be 0. That's all we have. That one's... So x cannot be what?
0.
Add 8 to both sides.
Oh, 8.
X can't be 8. Next one. The numerator is 4m plus 20. What's the common factor?
4.
Okay, good question. So here, the denominator is the only place we're looking. So because our denominator this time is just a monomial, we just have to set x minus 8 can't equal 0. Down here, the denominator had 2 parts to it. Common mistake. So she's saying, why did we not have to set x plus 8 and x plus 6 and x minus 8 not equal to 0? The answer is the numerator is allowed to equal 0. So only worry about setting the denominator not equal to 0 and solve that. I'd rather not move seats, but if you continue to talk the entire time I'm trying to teach, I will move seats. So in the numerator here, we have a common factor of 4. In the denominator, we have a common factor of 7.
Oh, it's a C.
It's like a treasure hunt. Just found the treasure. There it is. So 4 over 7 is the simplified rational function. And then we go back to the denominator to figure out the domain. So the domain is 7m plus 35 cannot equal 0. Can you not see, Leslie, or are you taking the notes with us?
And then you do 7m can't equal 11.
Subtract 35 from both sides, so 7m can't equal negative 35, and divide both sides by 7. So m cannot equal negative 5. And that's your domain for number 11. On to number 12. Make a t-chart.
So 36 and
Yep.
so C is like X and then B is Y.
So you 6
Sort of. What'd you get, Cody?
Well, I was gonna ask, how do you like determine which one goes on which side of the chart?
The C
Is
goes
everyone
here.
left, or-
So the C, that's, remember standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c, and the b goes over here,
Okay.
every time. So,
What's 36 divided by 4?